These cucumbers have been growing all summer here in our garden, and now we got more than we can eat. So instead of letting them go to waste, we're preserving them to something that tastes amazing on burgers, hot dogs, pizzas, tacos, cream cheese, crackers, smoked meats, anything of that nature. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. So what you need for this recipe is 1 pound of jalapenos, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 3 cups of sugar. I did 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So this recipe is surprisingly simple. Most of the magic comes from the sweet and tangy syrup that transforms the ordinary jalapenos into the cowboy candy. Before you start any of this, always wear gloves, because if you don't, you're gonna regret it. Trust me, ask me how I know. So we're gonna add everything to the bowl first for the brine. So we're gonna add our cup of vinegar, 3 cups of sugar, and our spices. We're gonna mix them up and bring it to a boil. And what we're doing is making a syrup, a sweet syrup. So the vinegar safely preserves everything while the sugar balances out the heat as it cooks. It'll become a thick syrup that coats every slice. So we're gonna put this on the stove. All right, I'm gonna start by cutting the tops off. Maybe run a knife down through there. To core it out. And then you want basically 1/4 inch slices, consistent slices. Until we get them all done. I don't know if I'm going to core out all of these. Maybe we'll just leave them as is. So maybe the bigger ones we'll core them because they're easy. Smaller ones, not as much. I think we're just gonna leave the seeds in there because I got too many peppers to do all that. That'll take all night. All that'll go to the chickens. They'll eat it. They don't care. These are a couple of lunchbox peppers. We'll throw them in also. Why not? All right, this is boiling. I'm gonna turn it down and let it simmer. So we'll put that on low. All right, there's all our peppers. Now we're gonna cook these for 4 minutes in with the brine. So as you can see, our brine's clear. We're gonna mix these in a while. See how much of a mess I make. All right, now we're gonna bring this to a boil again for 4 minutes. All right, so I did add another 1/2 teaspoon of salt. The recipe didn't call for salt, but sweet and salty usually goes together, so, and I like my salt, so we're gonna try it out. Try a little bit and see how that tastes. I don't know if I'm brave enough for all the seeds. That is good. All right, our 4 minutes are up. Now it says to put the peppers into the jars. So I pre-filled my jars with warm water. That way the glass is warm. Pack these down in there. Leave a 1/2 inch of headspace. All right, now we're gonna fill up our jars with this juice. Which didn't take much. Now we're ready for our lids. Then you can save this wonderful juice for later, for wings or any kind of flavor. Get this hot. I think I actually might go find a few more pint jars and just can the juice. Then I'll have it for later. While we're waiting for that to heat up, I'm gonna go do that. I'll be right. All right, we're starting to boil. So I'm gonna jar some more of this. See what we get out of this. 1, 2, and that's leftover. All right, we're gonna can for 10 minutes. Alrighty, there's the finished product. And they're yummy. I suggest you try it if you like spicy foods, because it's still pretty hot. Thanks for watching. Hopefully here coming up soon, we'll be able to can some tomatoes. Have a good one. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any